Theta United States dollar medium-term support especially remained at 92 cents, which in a real sense is very critical. The in every way that really matters current exchanging volume of Theta organization essentially is at $15,763,076, which for the most part is very huge. Theta organization fundamentally is as of now esteemed at 75 cents. Bears control Theta's kind of current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. 26 June 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually essentially clarified pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is extremely transient cost expectation for Theta organization. Truly is Theta kind of wise interest in a truly significant manner, Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they especially thought. Yet prior to plunging profound into the Theta specialized investigation, by and large, let us truly discuss the truly current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,186,659,470,300, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $32,396,217,087, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%. So market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,186,659,470,300, or so they basically thought, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level, after a decay of 0.52%, or so they in every practical sense thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value lessening of 0.7%, coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time span. So market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,470,300, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere around 1.1 and presently exchanging at 49 cents. Which by and large is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an in every practical sense, significant way. These occasions essentially show that the market in a real sense is going in an especially descending course for truly present moment. Or so they generally thought. As of now, an extremely broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a fundamentally significant manner. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of large manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become in every practical sense all the more lovely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers basically become move certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Pretty further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, basically is at 75 cents. down 1.64% in the beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 16.7% throughout the week, showing that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.1 and at present exchanging at 49 cents. By and large, in spite of prevalent thinking, one-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 15,763,076.00 United States dollars, while pretty complete market cap came to $754,815,139 United States dollars. So these occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in an especially descending heading for certainly present moment, which especially is very critical. There in every way that really matters, are just about 1 billion truly are available for use out of 1 billion, showing how Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers, used to essentially distinguish fundamentally key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which especially is genuinely huge. Theta organization value investigation Theta cost examination for 26 June 2023. Inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period, certainly made sense of underneath, which really is genuinely critical. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA 2 in every practical sense, break down the future development of the Theta organization. By and large, further appearance, how the especially absolute exchanging volume essentially remains at $32,396,217,087, which truly is very huge. The Theta United States dollar moving certainly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer, truly is demonstrating a by and large present moment in every practical sense, sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line generally is moving beneath fundamentally signal line, which explicitly implies, especially bears sort of are ruling on the lookout, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 0.7%, coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours. Or so they really thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and explicitly is attempting to, in a real sense, break out of the negative zone, while featuring monstrous negative strength, which in a real sense is very critical. The Theta organization in every way that really matters has essentially break all its fundamentally upholds levels, and things for the most part are not searching in every way that really matters. Great for the crypto market amazingly. Presently, basically bears essentially are in charge of the market and effectively really take Theta cost underneath the significant help level of 96 cents, for the most part. Further appearance, how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,000,000